All right, what's up guys? Today we're doing a exhaust review video for the Rev9 titanium mid-pipe and catback exhaust on the 2014 Nissan GT-R track edition. Here we have the decibel reader set up. We'll do the remote start here for you guys. You can see we're sitting idle around 65-ish when I talk, and I think 59 or so when I don't. Actually all the way down to about 45. So here we go, here comes the cold start for you guys. We are using the remote start through 12 volt solutions. There it gets to about 106, maybe 110 if it's really cold out on the cold starts, and then gets down to about the mid 80s range once we are warmed up. Here we'll show the in-cabin. So about 65 on idle. About 100 from the in-cabin revs. Let's go set us up again outside and show the exterior volume for the revs. I gotta hit the brake before I can do these videos with the 12 volt solutions kit. Otherwise it won't continue to run. Get a stand for the phone real quick. I'll show you guys my rims I got from another GT-R owner who was actually super helpful. He wanted to trade his in, so he gave me his in exchange for my stock rims, which I really appreciated, of course. I'm trying to get this set up here. Let's see how it sounds. All right, there you guys have it. If you like the channel, you want more videos like this, other parts reviews for the GT-R, I tried to pick something that was less heard of, less known. Please let me know in the comments. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one.